A kiss is simple yet powerful. It can mean love, passion, friendship, or even goodbye. But did you know that different type of kisses have different meanings? In this video, we are breaking down the most common types of kisses and what they truly mean. Whether it's a romantic kiss, a playful one, or a deep emotional connection, each kiss tells a story. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more relationship insights. The forehead kiss, the protector's kiss. A forehead kiss is one of the most tender and affectionate gestures. It says, I care about you and I want to protect you. It's not about passion, it's about deep emotional security. If your partner kisses your forehead, they see you as someone they truly cherish. The French kiss. This is the kiss of deep attraction and desire. It's slow, intense, and full of emotion. A French kiss often happens in the heat of the moment, signaling strong chemistry and connection between two people. If someone kisses you like this, there is no doubt they want you. The cheek kiss, sweet and innocent. This is the kiss of warmth and care. It can come from a friend, a family member, or even a romantic partner in a sweet, non-sexual way. It means I appreciate you or you are special to me. If someone kisses your cheek, they are expressing affection without making things intense. The hand kiss, respect and admiration. A gentle kiss on the hand is an old-fashioned yet elegant gesture. It's a sign of deep respect, admiration, and even romantic interest. This type of kiss is rare today, but when someone does it, they are showing they truly value you. The neck kiss, deep desire. A neck kiss is highly intimate and seductive. It signals attraction and desire, often leading to deeper intimacy. If someone kisses your neck, they are saying, I want you, plain and simple. The Eskimo kiss, pure affection. This kiss comes from rubbing noses together. It's common in cold regions like Alaska, but it is also a sweet and affectionate way to say I love you without using lips. The goodbye kiss, bittersweet. A kiss goodbye can be one of the most emotional types of kisses, whether it's a farewell at an airport or the end of a relationship. This kiss holds deep meaning. It's a mix of love, sadness, and unspoken words. Kisses speak a language of their own. Whether it's passion, care, or friendship, every kiss carries meaning. The next time someone kisses you, pay attention. It might be saying more than words ever could. Which of these kisses do you think is the most meaningful? Comment below.